Gold and silver started the week with a little dip and a little gap down, but have recovered it strong. We have seen silver dropping earlier towards 3070 and gold towards 2643, but almost all the losses are recovered now. So, what to expect? Can we expect now this recovery to continue? Can we expect that the bulls to take over from here and higher highs are seen, or it is going to trade bearish? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first review for the day, and this is again a detailed multi-time frame review with the help of which we will try to find out the exact entry points and take profits for you. And the next update will be released before the US session. This is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis. The subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch gold on the early charts. You can see it is just delivering the waves here first, second, third, fourth, and this time interestingly it has breached the 20 period but forming a good support here. It is now trying to bounce back. Also remember, gold has breached this bullish channel, trying to enter back into this channel, but I think it is going to be difficult for it to sustain this bullish momentum, and thus only buying entry now I will recommend is at 2662 above which slight bullishness may prevail here. Also you can see this trying to show a reversal here, but I can also see the bullishness getting diminished. So be careful in the zone 2658 to 2662. As long as it stays in the zone, we have to be cautious with the buys, though the crossover here is definitely a bullish sign in the moving averages. Stochastic here is also rising while the MACD has crossed over at the top, trying to suggest slight bearishness. As you can see, this crossover has come from higher levels, it is just convergent. Possibly this could continue with the down move here. RSI rising after the little drop. On the 2-hour chart, the observation on the 2-hour charts is more or less same. See what it has done, it has just come down to take the support from the 20 period moving average, which is indeed now a very good support. The bearishness today ideally is only and only if it trades below 2640, 2638 levels. That is the only point below which we can say that it is turned bearish. Else what is happening, if it breaks beyond 2662 65 zone, we can say that we will expect a move towards 2671 and in fact higher, though I am still skeptical of such a rise here in gold. I expect that there has to be slight retracement, but on the downside the support levels are acting very strong. It is very crucial for gold to now trade below 2640.38 in order to confirm the down move here. Also if you look at the formation, see this is the down move here, this is the drop, this is again a retracement, and if it reverses and trades below 2640 and then 2630 level, consider that it is stronger down, a stronger crash can be expected here. Stochastic has dropped, trying to bounce back. MACD is just trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone, and likewise on the 3-hour charts. See on the 3-hour charts, the crossover here is significant. This is definitely an important sign, but also this makes this is a very strong support. If gold starts its downward journey, this is going to be the most critical zone. So first 2640 and then till 2630-28 there are greater support existent for gold. But remember, every support is meant to be broken and every resistance is meant to be taken. Let's see which direction it turns. But yes, I'm still skeptical for a stronger rise now in gold here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is definitely bullish here. RSI is also rising. And on the 4-hour, see on the 4-hour charts, what it has done, it is with this bullish move, it has tried to fill the gap which it has shown earlier. And after filling the gap, now we have to see the direction it takes. So gap filling is done for the week, and now possibility of a reversal also exists here. So if you see it is staying now below 2650 itself, you can take a selling entry at 2650, expect it to keep moving towards 2644, 46, first target 2640.38 the next, and if it breaks below 2640.38, we can say now this is the time for gold to reverse and trade bearish. Till 2640 and 38 we should not be treating this as bearish. Also the crossover is a slight bullish sign here on the moving averages, and right now I can say that it is under retracement. And second thing to note here on the charts here is, see it has hit the bottom of the channel and trying to recover, but I can say that greater resistances exist here for gold on the upside, and thus we should rather wait for it to break beyond the recent or all-time highs in order to confirm its movement towards the 2700 plus levels. Stochastic definitely is overbought. MACD is rising. It may try to converge. RSI is comfortable. Coming to daily. And before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, global presence, easier transactions, easier withdrawals. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads on off. Now look at the daily chart. See, just connect the highs here. You can find out greater resistances exist till towards 2660-62, and you can also notice that it is trading or following this nice flag formation. Remember what it has done today, higher highs and lower lows here. So now once you see gold trading again below 2650, we can say now the bears are active, and then we can expect it to keep moving downwards. How far it can move? We can in fact expect it to move towards 26, 28, 32 zone. Let's see further. Stochastic here is also overbought, while the MACD after the crossover it is trading bearish, looking downwards, and the RSI is flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 2650 levels. Expect it to keep moving towards 2654, 40, 44, 46, then 2640, 38. The very strong support for the day. Below this, you can expect it to keep moving towards 2632 and then 2628. If these levels are taken, I think gold is not going to stop here. We can look forward to greater down move towards 2620, 2600 very soon, if not today, possibly tomorrow. So these levels are definitely going to play a major role. While on the upside, see, this is just the one side of the story. While on the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 2662. Expect 65, 66 as the first resistance zone, very strong. 71, 26, 71 as the next resistance, very strong. Then 74, 76. These three levels on the upside are going to play a major role today. Any move beyond 26, 74, 76, close your eyes. Stay bullish. 26, 84, 85 the first target. Then 2700 and 2720 can be seen very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, there is a huge gap left here. 31, 40, 50. Again, a very good resistance. It is trying to move there, but I can see a greater resistance here at 31, 40. So once you see the lower price above 31, 40, you can buy. However, I will again stay with this thing that 3160 is going to remain a major resistance for silver here on the upside. And once it breaks past 3160, 70 is where you can say that the bulls will be taking over, and then I will be looking forward to $32 levels here. Right now I can say that the stance is for recovery. However, I will say there are greater resistances till towards 3160 level. Do not treat silver as bullish as long as 3160 is not. Stochastic rising. MACD has crossed over for sell, trying to trade. RSI is showing a little up move here. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, see, remember what has happened here. Preceding two candles comes with a flat top. This current candle also trying to break past this zone at 3140, but I can sense that there are greater resistances. And look at these three candles. Greater resistances available here on the upside towards 3160. What is happening? It can replicate the same. It can turn red. It can move downwards again, and thus if you see it is staying below 3120, you can take a selling entry. However, remember the fact that now 3090, 31 is going to remain the prime support for silver here on the downside. Any drop below 3090 and 31 is where you can say the bears will be taking over. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with minor divergence, and this suggests slight bearishness here. So the current candle still can reverse, and the coming hour is going to be critical here. RSI flat here almost. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, we can see a little swing here. Higher highs are almost slightly flat top, and lower lows are seen. However, till 31, we should not be treating this as bearish, and till 3160, we should not be treating this as bullish as well. Only and only if it trades above 3160, 70, then you can say that we are looking forward to $32 levels, and then in fact 32, 30, 32, 40 levels can appear here. But I will still say we have to be cautious here. See, the drop was sharp, the retracement here, and now it has come out of this retracement channel. So I still treat this as a breakout, and it can continue doing or trading bearish after the breakout. So let's see if it again moves back on the downside and trades below 31. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD trying to converge here, not yet crossed over. RSI looking for an up move. On the 4 hour On the 4-hour charts, interestingly, the preceding one was a indecision candle here, and now it is trying to trade bullish here. I will wait if it breaks 3140, 3160 zone. That is the point. That is the zone where you can say now the bulls will be activated if it breaks past this zone, and you can look forward to higher highs. However, I can still see that the resistances on the upside are greater, while on the downside now support till towards 31 is very, very, very strong. So 31 and 3090 is the zone today. It needs to break in order to confirm the bearishness here. Possibility is there that it can breach past these levels. Stochastic has dropped sharp. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is flat. Coming to daily chart. On the daily chart, see what has happened. Just look at these formations here. Rise, then a gap down here, trying to bounce back. Now see again forming a tail, it is trying to recover here. Very, very important to see how it behaves in around 3140, 3160 zone. This is definitely going to remain a critical milestone for silver to break past by. Remember, uh, it has scope till here, but at this, and yes, it has also delivered higher lows here, and respecting the lows here, this is very, very important. So this suggests that it can keep moving here in the channel, and this also suggests that it can in fact move towards 31 or $32 levels here. So possibility is there, but I will still say that first thing is to break past by 3140-60 zone. As long as it stays below this zone, I will not be recommending a buy here. So as I said, for silver again, buying entry is only about 3140 levels, but then be cautious till 3160, and beyond 3160 is where you can expect 3185, 31 and $32 levels as the next target. Beyond 32 is where the bulls are waiting. 32.25, 30, 32.50 levels are possible, while on the downside sell it here at 31.10. Expect 30.95, 30.80, 30.50 levels as the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.